Good afternoon and welcome to Thoughtful Thursday, where we continue to share positive and uplifting developments from across primary care in the United Kingdom. Today's episode focuses on an initiative that is making a meaningful and measurable difference to both patient experience and operational efficiency: the introduction of more structured, proactive and patient-centered test results communication within general practice. Across a growing number of GP surgeries and primary care networks, teams have refined and strengthened their approach to managing how test results are reviewed, actioned and communicated. This includes the implementation of clearer messaging systems, defined workflows for results handling, dedicated results processes, and more consistent follow-up protocols. Rather than leaving patients uncertain or reliant on contacting the practice themselves, this approach ensures that communication is timely, clear, and led by the practice. The impact has been extremely positive. Patients report feeling more informed, more reassured, and significantly less anxious while waiting for results. Receiving clear communication that explains outcomes in a simple and understandable way, alongside guidance on whether any further action is required, has helped remove a great deal of uncertainty. Even where results are normal, patients have highlighted how valuable it is to receive confirmation without needing to chase, improving confidence and trust in the care they are receiving. For those requiring further investigation or treatment, the benefits are even more significant. Structured follow-up communication ensures that next steps are clearly outlined, reducing confusion and supporting a smoother patient journey. Timely contact helps ensure that important clinical actions are not delayed, strengthening patient safety and continuity of care. Practice teams have also experienced substantial improvements. Reception and administrative staff report a noticeable reduction in incoming calls related to test results, which helps to ease pressure on phone lines and allows teams to focus on other patient needs. Clinicians benefit from clearer, more consistent processes that support timely review and actioning of results, creating a more organized and controlled workflow. This contributes to a calmer working environment and supports higher standards of care delivery. In addition, this approach strengthens the relationship between patients and their practice. When communication is proactive, reliable and easy to understand, patients feel more supported and more confident in the system around them. It reinforces the sense that their care is being actively managed, which is fundamental to building trust within primary care. This development highlights the critical role that communication plays in healthcare. While clinical expertise remains central, the way information is shared can significantly shape patient experience, operational efficiency, and overall service quality. Small but thoughtful improvements in communication processes can deliver wide-reaching benefits across the entire practice. At General Practice Solutions, we are proud to support practices by strengthening the administrative and operational frameworks that enable effective communication. By improving workflows, enhancing consistency, and reducing avoidable pressures, we help create the capacity for practices to deliver safe, timely and patient-centered care. Thank you for joining us for this week's Thoughtful Thursday. We look forward to sharing another positive story from primary care with you next week.